Hi, this is a video presentation for our course project. For this course project, we designed an online bingo game playing application that allows users to play online bingo games with the help of smart contract and blockchain technologies. The homepage of the application shows the introduction of the game and the game developers. Clicking the Read White Paper button will redirect you to the white paper Google Doc. Next, let's start the game. First, you can view what is MetaMask by clicking this button. After installing MetaMask in your browser, you can connect to the application using the wallet plugin. Now we are at the game lobby of the application, which shows all the games. We can change the filter of the games by selecting all the games, or all the started games, or all the unstarted games, or all the games hosted by the current user. It is much easier to find games with filters. Now let's try to create a new bingo game with the current user. To create a new game and become the host of this game, you need to specify the bingo card price for this game, the host fee of this game, the start time of this game, the start date of this game, and the interval for drawing cards in this game. As the creator of this game, you need to pay 3 times the bingo card price for this game as the initial prize pool to incentivize players to join this game. We have specified the specification of this game. Now let's pay the gas fee and the initial prize pool to create this game. Now let's click the link and go to the Polyscan website to track the status of this transaction. Because we have used an event listener in the front-end application, once the transaction is confirmed, the front-end game lobby will automatically refresh to show the latest games. As you can see, the created game is already shown on the lobby, and the specification is correct. Now let's talk about how to buy a bingo card for a specific game. First, let's switch the account we are currently using. To do this, we need to use the MetaMask wallet. Because we are using a wallet listener when we switch account, it automatically logs out. Let's use another account to buy a new bingo card for the game we just created. To buy a new bingo card, the user needs to enter all the numbers for this bingo card that he or she wants to buy. Please note that the user buying the bingo card needs to enter all the numbers for this bingo card. If the user tries to submit a purchase without entering all the numbers on this bingo card, the front end will stop the user from submitting the purchase. Also, please remember that the first column of the bingo card only allows number in the range from 1 to 19. The second column of the bingo card only allows number in the range from 20 to 39. The third column only allows number in the range from 40 to 59. The fourth column only allows numbers in the range from 60 to 79. And the last column only allows number from 80 to 99. Now let's submit the purchase. Again, we need to use the MetaMask wallet to complete the transaction. After the transaction is submitted, we can get a transaction hash and we can track it on Polyscan. Now let's wait for the transaction to be completed. Remember, the block at the center of the bingo card containing 0 is a free block. Anyone can form a strike with free block. Now the transaction is successfully completed. Let's go back to the game lobby and go to My Games. And then we can see that the game we just bought card for is already shown on this page, and we can see the card we bought for this game. Now let's try to buy another card for a bingo game. For this bingo game, I set the card price to 0.1 Matic. As you can see here, instead of entering every single number on the bingo card one by one manually, we can generate a random bingo card using the front-end application. If you are unsatisfied with the randomly generated bingo card, you can reset the bingo card and generate another one. Now let's submit the purchase and wait for the transaction to be completed. Now we have passed the start time of the game. Let's try to switch back to the host's account and try to generate a random number for this game. The random number generation function called here will generate a random number for the game for each interval passed since the last time this function is called. One shortcoming of the current implementation is that if we draw too many numbers at once, we may face a run out of gas problem and the transaction may be rejected. But this is not a problem for this number draw, because only one interval has passed since the beginning of this game, and we only need to draw one number. As you can see, the transaction is confirmed, and we have already successfully drawn a new number, which is shown here. Now let's switch back to the player's account and see what's happened. As you can see here, one number draw is on the player's bingo card. The first player forms a strike on the bingo card can win the prize pool of this game. Now let's check out the result of this game. After many numbers are drawn, the player finally forms a strike on the leftmost column. As you can see here, the status of this game is now completed. Now if we check out the polyscan, we can see that the player already received the prize for this game. Also, the host of this game received the host fee of this game. This game is simplified for the purpose of demonstration. There is only one player who bought one bingo card. In a realistic environment, there may be many winners for one game, and the winners will split up the pot. This concludes the presentation for our course project. If you have any further questions regarding our course project, feel free to email us. There are a lot of details that are glossed over in this presentation. Please refer to the final report for the detailed explanations. Thank you.